Okay. So. Today I'm playing VR with my glasses. And this looks very strange. I can't see far away, so this is new. This is really new to me. So let's get it.
I got GG09.
Bro, what? Are y'all doing Ghost 209 Lev, guys? That was so cry.
Come on, guys, let's create a forest.
I'm just a bug.
No.
Hey, monkey mask, let's create a forest.
No.
Come on, guys, let's create a forest. So many leaves.
No. Sure. You sure he came out here and then went over there?
So many leaves.
Hello.
Have you seen a purple guy besides this guy?
What? Why? Why do you care?
It's kind of like this guy, but without the hat and stuff.
Yeah, but what does it matter? Just asking.
Huh?
What? Why do you need to know?
What?
Why do you need to know?
Well, he tried to kill me, so I was gonna go kill him.
I don't know. Well. Oh, there we go.
Tag lag. Pink. Tag lag's over.
Oh my gosh.
Tag lag on pink.
I don't know this would be a problem. Hey, man. Hey, man. Oh, shoot. Hey, man. We're both golden hats. You gotta listen to me. We're both golden hats. Oh, shoot. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. Listen. I said listen. Guy said, gosh dang it. Listen. This man doesn't listen.
I can see you up there. Oh, frick. Hello, how do you climb here? Bro, I'm the best in lobby. Wanna be?
No, you're not.
I wanna go up the slide. See ya.
Hello.
You're slow.
I got you,
Just
bro.
landed on here, so I'm not slow. I just landed on
But
here.
now
I just said hi.
That was so fast.
Hello. Hello, guys. You did not say hi. Who wants to do a challenge? That you can walk
Yeah, just
around the whole
thank
town.
you.
I could
Do
do that.
you want your beef one?
I had to fix my earbuds. Wait, I need to stop recording.
Wait, you're playing with earbuds?
Yeah.
Playing with glasses on, and it feels so weird. No.
I'm playing with like earbud in my ear, so it's kind of hard for them to fall out. Hello. Hey, you.
Stay there,
Hey, you. You know how to climb on poles? Yeah. I do. What do you want to do? Oh, you want to do that?
Blood.
Yeah.
I need
Oh,
blood.
you can pinch climb.
Blood.
Oh, really? Do you know how to pinch climb? Bang. Hey, Red, can we restart? Red. My arms are too much to try to. I can't do it. Hey, you! I can't do it. I can't do it, man. You! Yeah? Yeah? Do it. Wait. Hello. Are you supposed to jump and climb? Did you want to be friends? Right.
That's how you do it. Look,
Hey.
look.
You know all the tricks, but you don't know how to do them.
And just circle.
Just try.
Make sure your body's up against something.
I can police you up.
Now I get you. You won't be friends. I give up.
Props to you.
But then I can.
Hello.
You give up.
Hey, Mama. You're in my way.
Warren. Warren.
I can't wall run.
I know my jet up there.
You got Warren.
No, I can't even wall climb.
Oh, well.
I mean, I can wall climb a little bit. Wall run? It's harder. Oh, oh. I can branch though.
Your branch? That's not going to help you right here.
Exactly.
We gotta climb the slab.
The walls are just branches, but steeper.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can actually.
Well, slippery walls are completely different. Just know.
I can't believe you're actually on the slippery walls, like just hanging on, just like.
Bro, they're easy, bro.
Hey, you! Oh, there's big tree.
So I think you have competitive, don't you?
He's trying to climb up.
You definitely have
I
competitive.
don't think so. Option 2 or option 1 is competitive, right?
No,
What you mean?
this is a normal lobby.
I don't care. Really? It's nice.
Well, someone's coming after you. That's nice.
Yeah.
Oh well,
Yeah. Good job.
GG's.
Yeah, you did really good. You should be in comp. I usually play. I don't like comp, but
Run away.
You don't like
for
comp.
YouTube clips.
Run away.
Comp is more good.
Yeah, I would do that.
Hey guys, hey, come.
What's your YouTube? Video about YouTube?
Break my bones, drugs will hurt me, drugs will.
All of you, okay.
Video.
What's the video about?
What?
What's the vid about?
What?
Channel. I do juking videos and memes.
Wait, who said that?
No.
Yeah, I'm about to drink you instead.
YouTube. Let's go.
That's not good for your channel. All they're gonna see is.
I don't want to see that. I just post raw. I post raw footage. I can't edit this because it's not a good file apparently. It's not.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh! How did I fall?
Oh, that.
I break my bones. Drugs won't hurt me. Drugs won't hurt me. Nah, bro, we gotta afford that money.
I can barely. I'm right-handed, so like, I can do it. Guys, I just know you
The upside down slippery walls and the normal ones will send me flying.
Thank you. Need to put it good.
Love Monkey's a bozo. Bozo.
Oh, bozo! Oh my gosh.
Hello. Do you know who Erwin?
Ugh.
Hey, Monkey, clip Monkey and make some juking videos. I triple down on your channel to get tagged.
Good I might.
On your channel, bro.
What the heck?
I own your channel.
Where did I get tagged? Did the lava monkey leave?
Monkey, tag this boy. Tag this boy.
That boy?
Which one
You want me to tag?
Yeah, tag him.
There you go. I reached.
No, I could go with.
I reached your arm. I reached you my arm.
I'm going to kill you.
I want to see this. And then, we gotta see this. We gotta see this. Bro's on slippery. Oh. See, what's he do it? Come on, do it. Hit him. Get it. Oh. Oh.
Let's go.
Let's see this man.
Wait, I gotta
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
It's okay. Hey, I'm going.
What the heck?
Sorry,
I'm
I
gonna
won't
get you on
remember that
slippery
before.
walls.
You're dead.
Bro,
This man is, bro. This man's cracked.
So there's nothing new to me.
Bro's cracked that Fortnite mate game.
Oh shoot! I fell.
Hi.
Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! You! Come here.
Damn, someone's on slippery.
Bro. Y'all are still going at it?
Bullying at this point.
Bro, you're basically just bullying him at this point, bro.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I don't know where to put them. Man, I need my arms to breathe. But I can't. No, I'm close to doing it.
You can't give yourself a break. It's gorilla tag.
Don't want to tag me.
Yeah, exactly. Don't you want that clip? You want that clip, right?
Yeah,
You-
want that clip?
Then get that clip. Get that clip. Get it. Get that clip.
So close. Oh, I just don't want to go back.
Uh-oh. Did he just disconnect? Oh! He just disconnected. Oh, he's even.
McDonald's Wi-Fi. Oh.
Oh, shoot.
Oh shoot. Yo. Did I just?
Huh?
I won't even.
My branding skills, not on the. Oh, well, who's it? Oh, well, we got a new it. 6 inch tells me. We got 2 new hits.
Oh, we're in.
6 inch telling me, break my point. Matrix over
How are
me.
you so good to up that?
I
Uh,
was already in up top. So close.
Yes, almost.
So close. Hey! Yeah,
Oh.
guys, I can nearly do it.
Down there.
Wait. I'm gonna fix my music.
Doing the wall climbing, even though I can't do it.
Come on, wait.
no. I don't know who's it. Who's it? It's this lava monkey.
He just did a dream on.
Hi.
Why is my...
Hi. How are you?
Hey,
Well,
yo,
how did you not get me? I am so confused. How did you not get me?
If you can...
No, I'm dead. Ugh. I was trying to get that one.
blue monkey.
I'm not blue.
Tentacle climbing.
How many?
That's my baby sister. That's my baby sister. Sorry.
M-I-L-K.
Bros.
Wait, M-I-L-K.
Oh, you're lucky.
I will be turtles.
Oh my gosh, are you serious right now, bro?
So it's... How did you do that?
I'm not on my game today, bro. Smart.
Then put an I.
Oh, you just hit something. Are you good?
K-I-K. So K-I-1.
Come on. GG's.
Bro, thank you, God.
No!
Dude.
No, GG's, man. Come on now. Come on, GG. Oh, did you just flip me off? Wow. Oh, GG's? Yeah. Get pink. Get pink. He will die.
Creamy like one big. Hey,
GG's.
Yo, go. What is that?
I'm tired.
It's your mom.
That's like the third person I've raised up today. Oh
Wait,
my
don't
God.
talk to me. I have to restart my recording. I have to restart.
Ain't no way he's gonna be like Jamie Curly, cause he ain't.
Yeah, first.
Is he okay? What the heck? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh, I actually caught that.
It's also weird, man.
Well, hello.
God damn, you're laggy, blue. You gotta get some better reading.
This is stupid.
Never mind, screw you. Oh, you're next.
We got stupid branches like this.
Wait, what? What are you speaking about, man?
Ah, shoot. Oh, that monkey's. That guy saw me. That guy saw me.
Who's next? Oh, you. You're definitely next. Give me like,
Nice.
Bro,
No! No!
Bro, what is that?
Your mom's. Stupid. No, get away.
Dead.
Get away, stupid.
I hope you know that. I hope you know that going on. You mean that, homie? Don't get me dirty. Oh, no.
Man, if I disconnected. Yo, what?
Why am I stuck in the ground?
Up.
Hello? Jockey's over there. Jockey's over there.
I cannot branch today.
Oh, you're right. What the? No, then pink. Get pink. Monkey.
How do you just
Get
tell
pink.
us this? Ping monkey has good ping. Wait, I think...
Why would there be a pink monkey? Who likes pink? Pink! I like you, Pinky Poo!
What? What?
Pinky Poo, where are you, Pinky Poo?
Hey, yo, what's that? What is that thing? Yo, turn back around on me.
I need
I'm
to
trying to
bring-
you up. Oh, Pinky
I'm
Poo!
not gonna get up.
Screw you!
Stick to.
Yes, I did. He's... Screw you, Pinky Poo. What'd you say?
How did I miss that?
What'd you say anyway?
I stink today.
You really thought I was gonna kill that? Scream me like one. No, come here.
No.
Oh, there's Pinky Poo. I'm coming for your balls. Your Pinky Poo like so bad, bro. Yo, when you just
No.
I'm coming for your balls.
Bro, I stink today.
Look at you! You lied to the size, buddy boy. Now come give me a kiss.
I need a break in treehouse. Hello.
It's only my second time playing, bro.
Do some
Well,
kiss.
well,
What's up, baby?
what's up? What's up going on? Oh my gosh, are you serious right now? Oh! I thought you were a lava monkey.
Yo, look, I'm packing. Ready? Wait a second. I'll go with that. So I'm gonna just throw this.
You. Bro, my sweat tastes like salt water. My sweat tastes like salt water.
What the fuck? Why did you drink your sweat?
I'm just gonna assume there's someone right behind me.
My face. It's going into my mouth. It's making me energetic.
There's two. No, not today. No, please. I beg of you. I beg mercy. I beg mercy. Take that one instead. Take it over my ears. No. Oh, my life. Oh, my life.
I'll go
We gotta go.
It's my
You have to drink your
I saw two lava monkeys in treehouse. No! Oh, I got it. I got myself.
I'm gonna do a treehouse juice because I'm cool like that. Did you know that 2% of your mom is water?
I know.
Oh, shoot.
I'm sorry. Did you know 100%?
Oh, shoot. Is he dead?
Did you know 80%
Bro's dead.
special needs?
Oh, shoot. Oh, frick.
Hey, you!
Oh, shoot.
The caca, the shaka, the dog.
Oh, no.
Don't give me 30.
Why do almost all the
Muhammad
girls?
Ali, guys. I'm the
Good.
Muhammad Ali of girls have, bro. Oh, yo, you can't touch me. Go down.
What the heck?
Wash my hands.
What the heck? No, this is unfair, bro. This is unfair, bro. This is unfair, bro. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Treat me like Wendy. Don't give me
No. No, this might be it. I'm dead. Oh. No. Oh, oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh.
What's your balls?
Oh.
My sweat is like a waterfall, and it's going in my mouth.
Yo.
I'm getting minerals.
Oh, hello, golden hat. Hey, what the heck? Oh, hello, golden hats.
Well, I'd rather go this way.
Hey, what is that thing?
Your mom.
Treat me like Wendy. Don't get me scared.
Nah, bro.
Did you know? 2 times your
Bro's the most sussest Gorilla Tag player ever.
You know what's on the bench and home
Nothing.
Me! Get your raggedy
I was definitely clipping that joke.
I see monke. I gotta go.
Okay, that works.
I'm not chasing you. I don't want to drink your sweat.
Oh my gosh. Who's the last one? Bro, what?
I swear.
Take him out!
Can tag you, okay?
Anxiety inducing?
He can tag you.
Okay, I'm gonna show you a magic trick. It's called abracadabra. I get long arms.
I cannot tag you.
Abracadabra.
Because for me, wait, I'm not tagged. I'm not tagged.
Hello.
You wanna see a magic trick? It's me.
Ah, what the heck? How's her?
Did you know? Wait, you wanna see a magic trick? Wait, Green.
No.
Make my hands longer.
Run.
You wanna see a magic trick?
Oh, that sucked. Oh, that sucked. But how did I survive? How did I survive? Oh, oh.
My controller dropped. Be respectful.
Oh, someone needs to finish me.
Yeah, you done, Tommy?
You wanna see a magic trick?
Oh, that sucked. My freaking rib cage. I have side stitches. Oh my gosh. I knew that drinking the vanilla Coke was a bad idea. Oh my gosh. I stink.
Hey, Pink Hat, you still.
Oh my gosh, and I need an itch. A mosquito bit me.
I know it. I know it.
I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm done.
Finally, now I can see stuff, man.
Wait, I'm not You're talking about. That's
I'm
it.
gonna get up.
That's it.
6 sisters may break, but drugs won't hit me.
I'm basically ruling you.
I just came in here. And you were tagged, boy. Who's the last? Bro, ain't no way there's a blue guy is still here. Bodyguard. His name is Bodyguard. Never mind, he's tagged.
I better be out of
And I'll tell you my name after we get tagged, okay?
Go.
What's up, fellow golden hat?
That's why I'm transgender. Hello. That's why I'm transgender. No,
Whoa, no. Oh, that sucks. Golden hat, listen, buddy. Listen, buddy. Listen, buddy. Listen, buddy. Listen, buddy.
No, not me. Not me. I'm the fake one.
Yeah, yeah, get him. What?
I'm gonna kill you. No.
What the heck? Whoa, whoa.
Messed up the car park.
Take him out, boys.
No.
Golden hat to assemble.
Black person.
Whoa. Yo. Hey, man.
Hat on.
Here. Add me, pink hat.
Treat me like I'm being it.
I'm tired.
I don't know how I didn't. There we go.
Okay, uppercase E. Go to friends. Go to friends. Add me.
What the
What's
hell?
your user? What's your Oculus?
RIC. RIC.
How does your parents allow you to use this?
What's your YouTube channel?
Wait, how many gold nuts is in this one?
A lot. There's a lot.
Oh.
Golden hat, what are you doing?
Okay, what? I have RIC.
Well, get you a squiggly diggly off my son, bro.
Dot 2010.
He's my son.
2010.
No, run it up. Run it up, fool. Run it in.
Bro, look at all the golden hats.
Put the map in. Can you teach me how to Lucio? Yeah.
I cannot lose you.
2010 too.
We have so many golden hats. It's not even funny. Golden hat!
Yeah.
Golden hats, assemble! Beep, 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 beep.
Except that golden hats game. Oh, there's sweat in my eye. Help me. I can't see. Help me. Oh my eye.
Beep, beep, beep,
Oh my god, my eyes. Help me. Help me. There's like sunscreen in my eyes. It feels like there's.
beep, 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 beep.
I'm crying.
Yo, get your spin ass out of here.
Bro, back up, bro.
Wait,
You don't have this gold, bro. You don't have the money.
Yes, I do.
Nah, you don't have that gold, bro.
Like 80
I keep getting tucked in the change our gold to blue. So much. Because gold not.
Except that.
What one? Yo, no, you. Come here. Hey, you, come here.
No, make me.
Bro, my eyes are.
No, I never said you didn't have golden hat. I said you don't have that gold.
You said you don't got
What? No, I said you don't have this.
boy, you dying. You're about to get proved wrong, buddy boy.
I don't care, bro.
Hey, you. I want to tickle you. I want to tickle you.
Who wants some gold? Who wants some gold?
Nah, bro, who wants gold? My gold. How do you guys just flat?
Yo,
Walk
Green,
hard.
look. Hey, Green, what is this? Hey,
Green! Hey, Green, what's this? Huh? You said
I still have more gold than you. I still have more gold than you.
ready.
Hey, what's this?
What's up, man? Just for having that.
Already lost.
He's lost some sauce.
Yo, I'm an app.
I'll leave you alone, Pink. Only if you get up to that.
Hold up, let me just take out you.
What's up, Papa Monkey?
No!
Papa Monkey?
You-
I won't take you, Black. I won't take you.
Go to app.
Golden hat lava monkey in the dust, dude. I literally just put him in the dust. Oh my god.
Did
Hello.
you know your mom times 2 is
Hello.
3?
Whatever.
Hey, Pink.
Hello.
Pink. Hey, Pink.
Don't do me like one.
It's not your gun.
Don't give me dirty. What the fuck is this? Treat me like that. What?
He's gay. Yo, Pink, get Pink. He's right there.
Really suffering me. Through the ring.
What the hell? It just
Through the ring.
bleeding? I need to fix my.
What did I hear?
Help! Buddy.
Uh,
Oh my God! Don't make
Come
me
on,
dust.
brethren!
Don't make me dust.
Brethren! Brethren! Join us! Join us!
You ready? Through the ring. Through the
Join us! Join us!
Nah, bro. I don't even feel like doing you. No, you're not.
The take off the helmet!
It's like one of those days that like, man, if you do it to me, man, I will smack you. You guys want to see my real height? Bro, do you guys want to see my height? Holy shit! Wait, P1's
Take him out! Take him out! Take him out! Take him out!
See the clip! Get off my dick, please. Like, go.
No!
Yeah!
No.
You like glued to it the entire.
I didn't target you. What?
I literally broke your ankles and you went to somebody else. Please, like, stop trying to.
What am I doing wrong, bro? Chill out. It's not that deep.
What's your name? Holy shit!
You can break my ankles all you want, but I don't care.
Flower.
What does it matter to you, bro?
Yo, are you?
Hi, hi. People, am I right? My feet are killing me. Hello.
I'm cool. You're gonna follow me? Oh my God, I'm getting so many followers. Bro, my arms are like.
Yeah.
My arms are like.
Big and masculine.
They think just because they juke you, they think you're gonna leave them alone.
Especially the right
My
arm.
freaking arms feel like jello. Someone help me.
Yeah, I got you.
Over here.
Hi, voted monkey massive. Can't get off my thing.
Bro, chill out, bro. It's just a. You need to chill out, man.
No, you're nice. Come here. I'm trying to touch you.
Yo, what the hell? Maybe you should run, bro.
Yo, why is there so many golden masks?
I don't know.
Cheese and rice.
Honestly, bro.
There's like actually like everybody in the lobby is a golden mask except for me and Hey, you get away! How do you
God.
get out there? Can I do that? What? Well, what do you say? What do you say? No, what do you say?
GG's.
GG's okay. That's the only thing that you should be able to say.
Bro, why are you toxic to me? Like, you gotta chill out.
Flower hat, flower hat, flower hat.
Yes, you.
You targeted me the entire time.
What? What? I just see a monkey and I go for him, bro. Bro, just clip me.
Black kids and I'm gonna like That is boy, shut your raggedy ass up, boy. Before I make out with you.
Yo, what?
Yo. What are you doing? You just subbed your meat on my face. How about you quit
Who's it? Who's
talking to
it?
me every single time?
Bro, can you be quiet, please? Like, oh, watch it, watch it, watch it. Oh, I messed up. Oh, I messed up.
Hey man, I'm down here. Stop being mean. Yo, what is that? How do you do it? Yo, what's that? New one lava monkeys. What's that? New one lava keys. Wait, how did you do that?
Bro, people can't leave.
You're mid.
Oh. You want to do
You're mid in the game. You're mid. You're hey. I got you mid. After the toe back.
Bro's lagging.
Okay.
Oh, sh.
My arms.
Oh, oh, fake. Oh. Frick. Oh, frick.
I go down my slide. Yeah, that's just a no, buddy. That's just a no. Like that now.
Alright, come on. The code is gonna be. Come on. The code is gonna be. WER
That sucks.
785.
This is taking forever.
Yeah. The lava monkeys are chasing us.
Natural lava.
Oh, what the heck?
You get away. You get away. You're a bad lava monkey. You get away.
I'm feeling racist.
Come on.
I'll just right here.
Go, bro.
Oh my gosh, what am I missing?
Hey! It was just a joke, bro.
I finally did it.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, it was just a joke.
Hey, buddy. Please move.
That'll work. Hi.
Hey, get that.
Why is there?
My turn is Spider-Man. Spider-Man. I'm Spider Monkey, man. Get away. I'm Spider Monkey. I'm Spider Monkey.
GG's, man.
Going super on mode. Man, this monkey is so bad.
GG's.
Good job. GG's, I now respect you. You didn't target me the entire round. Good job.
I mean, technically, I'm not targeting you. I'm just thinking of you as an easy target.
Damn. Golden monk's having smoke.
It's just raining in the game.
Lobby done, maybe?
I'm at the top of stump.
Hello.
You're giving me a usual.
Yeah, but do not mute the shot the fuck up, mate.
Mute it. Look, I'll mute it. Blindly.
Right behind you. Monkey.
Hello. High five. Hurry up, please.
I'm forward. Mate, not a bot.
Oh, shoot!
You little monkey, man. Why do you gotta be such a rude little yellow?
Yo, don't try me, I'm off.
Alright, what's that blue monkey? Nah, everybody left.
Black.
I gotta leave, bro. There's nobody left.
Fuck. Because we don't see.
I'm a sandwich.
I gotta leave, man.
Yeah,
Bruh, this lobby's dead.
yeah, same.
Bro could have handled smoke, though. One person could have handled smoke.
Will you get cat here to get my to be my
We'll see you guys in the next one.